Aitswale, Cheyenne Thanaspi, Tanitsanak Katie Kama. My name is Cheyenne Kadikab. I am from Katie First Nation. I am a third-year PhD student in the LLED department. And we just hosted our very first fishbone bead workshop here at UBC. And I am a fisherwoman, so I was encouraged by my sister to use the spine of the fish to create the beads to then create the jewelry. And so that's what we did in this workshop today.
Hi, my name is Harold. I work in the Dean's office on the 6th floor, the communications coordinator over there. This event was really great as a way of bringing staff, faculty, students together as a community. It's something to channel our creative energies into. It's a reminder to just pause throughout your busy day. Thank you to Cheyenne and the other LDDR organizers that hope to see more nights like this where we learn about Indigenous teachings and knowledges, but in a fun and collaborative way.
Hi, my name is Baris. I was very fortunate and very blessed and very grateful to attend the workshop. It gave me a creative outlet and a chance to connect with my colleagues, as well as enjoy a really delicious salmon lunch, and then see the full circle of salmon being on our plate, and then bones that would have otherwise been tossed out as waste or trash, then can have a chance to turn into beautiful artwork like these beaded earrings.
Hi everyone, my name is Mariam. So we organized this event about Indigenous art and sustainability. We had the attendees make their earrings under the supervision of Cheyenne, and we also had food served, and so we kind of gathered people together. They socialized with each other, and while they were doing art, and they were able to take a pair of earrings with them home, which was so unique.
This event was amazing. We got to do incredible earrings with sustainable materials. This one comes from a fish that Cheyenne actually caught, and instead of throwing it back to the ocean, she dyed it, and it's now part of this beautiful gift. It was such an amazing experience to see materials being used that would have been before wasted, but also the gathering and being able to do it in community and having then an amazing lunch that also included some of the fishing that Cheyenne does. Thank you for hosting us. I loved it.